Hello everyone, myself Dr. Irphan Shaikh, consultant orthopedic surgeon and robotic joint replacement surgeon. I have experience in field of orthopedics for more than 14 years. I have completed my MBBS curriculum from GMC Kolhapur. Further, I have done my post-graduation from prestigious College of KGMC Lucknow. Subsequently, I have done DNB Orthopedics from PD Hinduja Hospital. I have done my fellowship in adult reconstruction and joint replacement surgery. I have taken my skill set to the next level by robotic joint replacement surgery, which involves robotic knee and hip surgeries both. My goal has always been to help patients regain their mobility, live pain-free life. By bringing advanced robotic technology, we can offer patient precision, quicker recovery time, and better long-term outcome for the knee and hip both. By tailoring every procedure exactly to the patient's unique anatomy, we can ensure more natural feeling joint, less post-op discomfort, and much faster return to the activities that you love. Apart from this, I am also having the expertise in complex trauma surgeries and joint preservation surgeries. Whether you are dealing with chronic joint pain or looking into treatment option for any orthopedic issue, me and my team are here to provide the world-class personalized care. Feel free to reach me. I assure you to give the best solution out of it.